So let's see what happens here. Okay, so it's not doing shit right now. Mic check 1 2. Is it working? It's not doing shit right now. Mic check 1 2. All right, so we're waiting for some shit to happen to pop off. 10:06, so 11 o'clock. I'm gonna cut off, but we'll see if we can go short over here. Obviously, obviously the momentum is to the short side, so second. What's up, Marco? How you doing, bro? You said you're in long ES. Let's take a look. Where are you right now? Where are you right now? Why are you long ES? Are you what'd you do? Take the break of the 50 EMA? Something like that? Is that why? Is that why you went long? Because it broke above? And where are you trying to get to? So for right here on the Russell, we have parabolic SAR going up, and in order for me to go short, it needs to break parabolic SAR and it needs to break this level down here. Um, while the indicators are going down. But right now, it does not look like it's gonna happen. Yeah, I'm doing okay today. I made some money pretty nice. I'm in a long off a support level. Okay, that makes more sense. I would guess I'm assuming this long right here off of the support level where this level literally bounced off of. Ugh, tasty. Nice, bro. Are you in your office right now working? What type of job do you do in your office? So we're getting rejected off the whole moving average over here. It's coming down. I mean, there's nothing to trade, dog. To be honest with you, there's not a damn thing to trade. And if I go short, it is gonna look a little ugly. It's gonna look a little ugly. Um, yeah, Marco, I'm talking to you. Uh, what's the micro Russell ticker? M2K. M2K. This is the only ticker that I trade now. M2K. With my strategy, I have a 78% win rate. M2K. Assuming that I trade the correct trade. Sometimes I do make stupid decisions, but if I'm on my A game, I'm well above 70%. Even if it's 70%, I'm good. But you said you're in long 5,930, 5,937 support level. Yeah, I would play cheap too, especially with the market just so blah. The market's not doing shit. Dow Jones doing it's popped off. What's MNQ doing? God damn, Chop fucking City, bro. Holy shit. MES, coming back down. You 5,930. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. We'll see what happens here. I'm retired. I'm at a rental house in Virginia Beach, working on to get it rented again. It needs some TLC, but I'm training the morning sessions between painting. Oh, that's dope, dude. That's really nice. That's really nice. Good for you, man. So you have no excuse but to be a killer in trading. You got plenty of free time. Well, I mean, not really. I mean, we still have our everyday life, um, but you know what I mean. I still make time to back test. What's up, E? Good morning, bro. Neo, yeah, win rate this, win rate that. Just tell me when to buy and sell. Well, there's no buy and sell buttons right now because the market's not doing shit. I got stopped out. I was trailing. Well, you played one micro, so it is what it is. Oh, you live 5 hours away from Virginia Beach? Yeah, Marco, give Neil some tips. I think he's like 18, bro. That he's like a spring chicken. Even though I'm still pretty fucking young. I'm 29. I'm still pretty young, but he's like a spring chicken. So it looks like we're coming back down. In order for me to go short, it needs to break this level down here. Um, bro, I just turned 19. Man, that's not a fucking difference. 18, 19 is still the same shit. 18, 19 still the same shit. Shit, my fucking thing died. Practically the same thing. Yeah, dude, real estate is definitely the way to go once you get started. The only caveat is to get started with real estate. It's a little bit of high, it's a higher barrier to entry on real estate than fucking here in fucking trading. You can put fucking 200 bucks, 500 bucks in an account and you can just ready to fucking go. Okay, so right here we have a suggested short going short. This MACD, I needed a cross. So basically, right now, the sentiment is still very bearish right here. Whole moving average looks very good on the 5 minute. Super trend looks strong. RSI still going down. MACD still crossing. It's a little weak, but I need this to cross. This is crossing. So I'll go short right here. At a break of that level, I'll go short. That's gonna be my position right there. Um, 155, 150 will do. So it's a pretty big it's still it's a A setup, not an A plus, but it's still an A setup because we're still going short. Indicators are lining up. I don't like that the whole moving average looks like that. I would much rather the whole moving average shines when price is like this and it's curving down. When it's already flatlining like that, it's whatever. But we're waiting for the break of that, and it's coming down, so we'll see. Uh, Absolutely. The sooner that you start in real estate, the better. Straight up, straight up. Because real estate appreciates nowadays really fast. Fib retracement. Okay. So it's breaking down right there. Breaking down right there. Um, these are the extension levels. Price coming over here. I can see it acting a little bit weird. Um, and even coming down here, that's a stretch because you're already past the negative 61 extension. I might have, let me see how 120 looks. Is that around the, right around there? Taking a position yet. I got a 2226.5 as a level. What'd you say? 2226.5. 22, oh, like around here? In short on ES. Target 5910. The next level down. Yeah, hopefully you have a big enough stop loss. It broke the level here, so it's not too crazy for a flush down, so I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that, Marco. Um E. This is a monthly pivot level over here. Okay, it looks like we're breaking down. So do I want to take it? I think uh we'll keep on watching it. To you got stopped out. Lots of support there. Yeah, it happens, bro. Yeah, so I'm going in a small position here. Yeah, so I'm going in a small position right here. This still hasn't crossed. Our indicators are to the downside though. So if this candle here can break below right there, um, and this crossing down, I'll add to this position. But for now, we're gonna keep it small, um, because it's a little bit wishy-washy. So we'll see what happens. 22.19, next one below that. So we're coming down a bit. I might add to my position here. So we're coming down a bit. I'm gonna add another one. I'm gonna add to this position here. So we have a MACD crossing right there. It's ever so slightly, but we're coming down a little bit more. Oh, we're coming down a little bit more. Okay. So we'll see what happens here. So the sentiment is to the downside though. Mhm. Looks like we got some support there. We'll see what happens. I have a wide enough stop loss. Mm. I'll hold through the pain. Like on the 5 minute, it looks very strong, dude. Like we have the super trend is red, whole moving average is still going down. That MACD is just free falling, free falling. The RSI is just free falling. It looks very strong on the five, dude. So, you know, I give it more than enough of a stop loss. More than enough. I think I'll be okay. So I am gonna expect some resistance right around here because that's an extension level, and then all the way down there. So if we measure from here to here, we're trying to break the bottom of the Fibonacci. And if we break that, we'll have some resistance here at negative 27. And if we break that, finally to the final flush to negative 61. But that's if it happens. The sentiment's still down. I gave it a big enough stop loss. If I get stopped out, hey, I did as much as I possibly could. Every time frame up to the 4 hour is bearish. Exactly. The sentiment is still down. That's why I'm not worried. I'm not worried about it. As long as you gave it more than enough of a stop loss, you're okay. And I gave it a very big stop loss. That's 120 ticks on the Russell. That's very big. Usually I think my max is 150, but I want to see if I can slim cut it down a little bit to 120. Um, right, that's more than enough for the Russell 2000. I think that's more than enough. If it, bounces back up all the way, then it just means that it was a very strong support level. Okay, so yeah, we're in the red. Price is bouncing off this monthly pivot level, down $112. MACD's slowly coming apart. RSI slowly coming up. I have a huge stop loss, so I have more than enough breathing room. If it bounces back up on me, it's just that level was really strong, and there's nothing I can do about it. So it is what it is. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. This could be a repeat of yesterday where price action bounced on the monthly pivot level, but since I had a big enough stop loss, I was able to absorb it, and eventually it flushes back down. So we're gonna keep on waiting. No worries. No worries. Let me check something real quick here. Let's see, where is the or below or below? Yeah, this we're very bearish, dog. We're very bearish, bro. I will be very surprised if I get stopped out. Very surprised. I don't think it'll happen though. We shall see. We shall see. Lots of pressure right here. When it breaks, it's gonna sink. It's going to sink. Maybe, bro. Maybe. Maybe. Like to be honest, Marco, we just really don't know, bro. Uh, I don't know. I don't. I don't think you can really tell if it's gonna sink or not. It's so unpredictable. I don't know. But maybe, bro. It could be. It could sink. because that's where market intuition comes in. Like you've seen this enough times that you kind of know, you kind of get a sixth sense to what happens. So I get you. Okay, it looks like we just clocked a lower low. I'm sorry, a lower high. It looks like we just clocked the lower high, and we might be coming back down. So right here is a lower high. If price breaks that, I can see it stopping me out. If it continues down and breaks this lower low, I can see a flush down. But obviously I'm gonna see some resistance here at this extension level. Um, then I'll have to wait and see if it breaks the extension level and comes down to the next extension level here. So we'll see. We'll see. But so far, the way that the MACD's looking right here doesn't look too good. But it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. We'll keep on waiting. We'll keep on waiting. It's just gonna take a while. Yeah, this play kind of reminds me of yesterday's play. The same short position. We'll see. Yeah, it's just a waiting game now. Nothing you can do. This MACD right here doesn't look too promising though. This shit just keeps on trailing up slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. This one's flatlining and it's not nosediving anymore. So it doesn't look too good. But we're still in the clear. If it breaks here, then I will be like, okay, I'm fucked. But here, we're still in the clear. So once it breaks right here, just know then I am most likely fucked. And I'm gonna get wrecked if it breaks this right here. But this does not look promising. It doesn't. 5 minute chart still looks very good. 3 minute So yeah, I'm fucked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. It's gonna break this right here. Once price action, it just broke. I'm cooked. This is what I mean about do you cut? Nah, I'm still gonna hold, bro. I'm still gonna hold. I'm still gonna hold. I only start cutting the position if it's going in my way. But if it's not going in my way, I hold. So here, parabolic SAR just turned green on the 5 minute. This right here is already disrespecting the whole moving average. Cooked. Coming up, coming up. I'm cooked, bro. Baby. Let's see if that trend line holds. So here on the 5 minute, this is flatlining and you can visibly see it curling back up. So made a new lower high. We'll see. Getting a long signal on the 2 minute chart. We'll see what happens here. On M2K, yeah, I guess M2K. I don't think that shit's gonna hold, bro. I don't think it's gonna hold. It's all right, bro. It's all right. Just move on to the next trade. Look at that MACD. We'll see. All we can do is the best we possibly can. That's all we can do. There's nothing else we can do. Got a little bit of a rejection on the whole moving average. On the 5 minute, you can look at the rejection here on the 5 minute. Rejected off the full moving average. So, okay, not too bad. Not too bad. We'll see. We'll see. It has to break. It has to break here, though, in order for me to be like, okay, we're still in this bitch. We're still in this bitch. It has not broke yet. So, we'll see. If it does break, that'll be an awesome comeback. I don't think it's gonna happen though. That MACD right here, that shit is strong. That shit is strong. Big ass histograms. I don't think it's gonna come back down. I'll be very surprised if it comes back down. That MACD is strong as shit, bro. Need some break and hold. Oh, what moving jet is that on 5 minute? It's the whole moving average, the 50 hole, 50 hole, the 50 hole. What's up, Nick? We're getting we're getting smashed right now by the market. We bounced off of support level. But it is what it is. You take it one day at a time, baby. One day at a time. We'll see. Where's that 50 MA at? Still down there. We'll see what happens here. Man, bad day for me. Blown out one PA and one eval. Not good. Come on, Nick. You know better, bro. Stop blowing PAs. Stop blowing evals, bro. Just play small, dog. I've been burned so many times already, way more than you, to have come to a realization that it's just better to play small according to your account size. Then you won't have a problem blowing it, and just play small and just keep on learning day by. It does not matter how long it takes. It really doesn't, bro. It really does not matter how long it fucking takes. Um, if you just trade small and trade for the whole year, you'll be amazed at how long you would come. I mean, sure, you can be fucking getting small paper cuts, playing small, uh, for like 6, 7 months, and then next thing you know, something clicks, and then all of a sudden, the next 3 months of the year, you're fucking exploding, and you just gained everything back. Um, so yeah, bro, playing big is not. It's not worth. It. It's not worth it. I play very small according to my PA size. You want to know the best way to never blow a PA? Don't ever pat. That's been my strategy. Yeah, man, bro, you just gotta go very slow, dog. Very, very slow. Like, the only way you can size up, um, is if like, bro, you've been killing it for like, I would say 3 months straight. Like, I'm not talking about having like green days like every single day, but I'm talking about like 3 months straight of killing it, passing an eval, getting a payout, then you can probably size up. Like after you gain confidence and knowing what to do. The worst, the like the biggest aspect to traders is patience. Um, that's the biggest hurdle to overcome. Once you understand patience, and risk management, you can make any strategy profitable. Bro, you can get any strategy on YouTube and make it profitable. Like I swear to God, but it just takes a lot of time. It's just plain small. Like, bro, grab a fucking strategy on YouTube, back test it, find some tweaks. I'm pretty sure, bro. I'm very positive. If you go on YouTube this weekend, just fucking find one strategy, back test that strategy the whole weekend. Literally from sun up to sundown, go to sleep, wake up, sun up to sundown. By Monday, you can make it profitable, but it's just gonna but in the over the long haul, multiple days, you'll have a winning day, then you'll lose, then you'll lose, then you'll lose, then have a winning day, then have a winning day, and then you tweak, and then you tweak, and then you tweak, and then eventually you come up with a trading strategy, but it just takes a long time, bro. It takes a long time. That's what I've come to realize with all the fucking hours of back to back to back to back to back. That's what I realized. It just takes a long time, bro. It's more patience than anything. They all work for you if you learn them and test them. Absolutely, bro. Bro, every single strategy works. Like even the most ridiculous ones on YouTube, they work. They work. Um, they literally work. You just have to take time to dedicate to backtest them. Literally the secret sauce is backtesting, playing small, and patience. That's it. There's no secret strategy to be like, yeah, this one's better than this one. Someone have my higher win rate, um, but they're capturing small moves. It's all relative to your personality, dude. Just stop blowing PAs and evals, bro. You're just throwing away money. So like you're better off like just putting like 300 bucks in a trade evade account and just trading one micro. Like you're literally better off doing that. At least you know you won't blow it because it's your money and it's your account. You won't blow that shit at all. Or get another eval and just play small and just accept it. Accept your fate of playing small. Accept that fate. In the long haul, I know it. Bro, I trust me. I know you have a losing day, and then you're like, fuck, bro. You're telling me I have to wait until the next 24 hours tomorrow to try to get those gains back, recover those losses, if it happens, because you might have another losing day. It's just, bro, psychologically, it's like torturing, mental warfare. But after being wrecked so much for so long, I'm like, bro, I don't fucking care anymore. Just live my day. Normally, I trade, have fun, talk to you guys. If I lose, fuck it. I'll try again tomorrow. If I lose, fuck it. I'll try again tomorrow. But I know that I'm profitable, even though sometimes I get wrecked. Sometimes I get wrecked, but hey, nobody's fucking an all-star trader, bro. What's up, MGK, bro? We're just over here fucking struggling, dog. Still coming up. It hasn't stopped me out yet. Bro, Nick, just get a 25K account, 1500, and just play one micro. They just play one micro, bro. Um, and do that for like 3 months straight, just one micro until you get better, bro. You have to go into the gym and work, bro. You have to go into that gym and work. Bro, I'm back testing several hours a day. Several hours, but I have the luxury to do that. I set myself up in a position that I can do that. So I have the luxury to back test a lot. But like, bro, even like an hour a day is powerful back testing with like no distractions. Putting on a timer and then back test for an hour and bro, that's powerful. I know I'm right, bro. I'm doing it. I'm profitable because I back test a lot and I put in the work and I'm patient and I just stop fucking caring about trading. You just have to fucking stop caring. All right, so it looks like I'm fucking cooked right here. The market bounced off of the support level right here. It broke below it. It could not keep flushing down. Bounced right back up, and now I'm fucking cooked. About to hit my stop loss. So all we can do is pray to God that I don't lose, but that ain't gonna do nothing. That's just what it is in trading. It's just risk management. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Yesterday I won big, today I won smaller, and then I ended up in, being green. So I just got stopped out right here. Lost money. But yesterday I made way more than what I lost. So I'm still profitable. It's all a game of odds. It's all a game of odds. It's mathematics, it's win rate, it's patience, it's your strategy. So it is what it is. I got stopped out. Oh well, I don't feel bad about it. I'll try again next time. I'll try again next time. It is what it is. But that shit cooked my ass. We had fucking price action falling. There's a monthly pivot level right here. It broke below it, faked me out, bounced back all the way up. Nothing you can do about it in trading. You just have to accept the will of the market. Um, do you have any idea how to identify chop? No, there's nothing you can do to identify chop. There's absolutely nothing you can do to identify chop. You can probably you can maybe do this. You can maybe do this and try to identify chop this way, but EMAs they're lagging. They're lagging. There's no way to identify chop. So a good maybe a way to identify chop is if you use EMAs right here and they're stringed together like that, then you can identify chop. But since they lag, price action will move down, and then you have the EMAs just still strapped together. There's no fucking way to identify chop. I have not found the way. I've put in so many hours and I can't find a way to find chop because you can be stuck in a range. You can be stuck in a range for a little bit, and then all of a sudden, market just takes off or it just dies. You really can't. If you have like a big enough stop loss, you can hold down that chop and then eventually go down as long as you have the direction okay. Sometimes chop is gonna happen. You can't identify it. It all depends on your stop loss. If you have a big enough stop loss, you can absorb the chop knowing that your other indicators are telling you that you're coming down. Can't you can't get past that at all. If you get chopped out, okay, try again. If you get chopped out, that's it. You're done. You're done. Try again the next day. Um, and then it's all odds and probability of the flip of a coin every single time. Flip, 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 flip. And depending on your strategy and how much work you put in, eventually you'll pull through from getting chopped out. But I have not found a way to identify chop. There is no way to identify chop. You really can't. Maybe let's come to MNQ. So look at MNQ right here. Let's go on the 3 minute on MNQ. So on the 3 minute on MNQ, so market opened okay. So market opened 9:30. Market opened 9:30 right here. Chop, chop, chop. Okay. Big candle down. So you're thinking, okay, so we're gonna go down, right? You have your indicators coming down and you have a big candle down. You're like, okay, I mean, let's go down. You take a position down, then eventually it comes right back up. You don't know that was gonna happen. You don't know. The market's unpredictable. And then it keeps going down. It does another flush down and then it goes up. But if you took a position here and you had a stop loss right above here, the bigger your stop loss, the more you can absorb the chop as long as you get the direction correct, then you can ride the direction down. But because you have a bigger stop, that means you have a bigger take profit too. So you can have the mathematics on your side. So no, bro, I have not found the way to identify chop. Uh, yeah, that is certainly true right here. Maybe because I've seen many times where the RSI looks like at the time, like you really don't know. Like you come, so you come right here on the, yeah, because I don't know, it's tricky because every time RSI crosses the moving average, you think bullish, and every time it crosses below the RSI moving average down, you think bearish. So it's kind of hard. I don't know, bro. It's very hard. But that is one way to identify it. Um, that is one way to identify it. Yeah, in a sense, yeah. Still, it's just very like you don't know you're in chop until you're in chop. I have not seen anybody try to identify chop correctly. It's not foolproof, and it takes some time to see it, but at least you keep going from back to low for more hurt. The best possible way to keep your ass from hurting is setting a rule of if I lose 3 times, if I lose 2 times, I'm out. That's how you save yourself from chop. Um, for me, is two. Because I want to be very disciplined. I don't want to give myself too much leeway. Two trades, the two losers in a row, I'm fucking out of there. I'm done. I'm done for the day. Uh, let's take a look at the Russell. You are coming up. You are coming up. Oh, so we're breaking above. Okay, so we're coming up. If we're breaking down the 5 right here, I might go counter trend. Just one contract. We broke the 50 and we're coming up. So I'll see if I can ride it to the 200, but I'm going half size. Okay, so I might go counter trend. Okay, so I'm going counter trend. So this specific pattern on this indicator, impulse MACD on the 5 minute, every time, a lot of times when there is a cross up below -4, it's a good chance that it can reverse on you. So it has to be below the 200. So for example, right here, um, we have price on the impulse MACD cross below -4 on the Russell 2000. Price came up and reversed. Come again. Price crossed under -4, reversal. Once again, price crossed under -4, here, reversal. Do you see that? You see that? This is also happens on ES as well. So price crossing under -4, it's not all the time, but it slowly comes up. You just need a big enough stop loss to do it. So I'm gonna wait for the break of the 50 EMA and go long and see if I can go to that 200. And I'm going half size. I'm going half size. Well, not half size. I'm just going smaller, quarter size actually. See if I can get some of the losses back. If it breaks, though. If it breaks. Oh, shit, it's 11 o'clock. I gotta go. I mean, do I? Do I gotta go? Well, actually, probably not. Because usually I go work out at this time, but I just got 2 steroid shots on my ass, so I don't think I can work out. If ES gets back to opening highs, it will be break of structure to the upside. Let's take a look at that. If ES breaks opening highs, I would say, I don't know, Marco. I think break of structure is right here. This is in pre-market at 8:30. Um, at pre-market high, that I think that would be a break of structure, which is technically a break of the 200, in my personal opinion. Because this is structure right here, and then pre-market high. I don't know. My personal opinion. So we're waiting for that counter trend move. If it happens. If it doesn't happen, I'm not gonna force it. There's no forcing shit. M2K rejected off of VWAP. Let's see if she comes back down. 11:05. Okay. I can stay on for a little bit longer. We'll see what happens here. Um, This is just chopping up everybody. I think I'm done for the day. I had a couple of winners pre-market, so I think I'll quit my head. Yeah, you should quit, bro. I really think you should quit. So I don't see any plausible short position for me, to be honest. I'm not going short. If this thing comes back down, I'm not going short. I want to go long. Reason being, it's because short positions work better when the whole moving average is closer to PA or above price action like this. Once it's over here, doesn't look too good because then you'll have the 5 minute slowly curling up on your ass. So, nah, I'm good. Uh, 2237. Are you talking to me? 2237.20. Point two. 22. Wait, what did you say? 2237. Oh, here. Um, go short. Nah, no. On the 1 minute, no. Because on the 5 minute, it's gonna hand you on your ass because it's keep going. It's continuing to go up. So I wouldn't do it. I'm trying to go short. I mean, I'm trying to go long. I'm not trying to go short anymore. The market changes direction. So I'm waiting for a break on the 3 minute up here, and I'll take a position and big stop loss. Um, big TP up to the 200. So let's see where is opening range. Opening range. So 9:30. Where's 9:30? 9:30. 9:45. So we would need to see a break of opening range. So when price comes over here to opening range, you're gonna see some resistance and come down. Let's see, how does this look? How does that look? Looks like we're breaking above. I'm gonna take a position here. It's good enough. Okay, we broke above the 50 MA. We entered on the 3, playing the 5. So look at the 1 hour chart. On ES or the Russell. Shit looks a little ugly. Let's look at ES. God damn, that shit's ugly on ES. So you're talking about ES, definitely. All right, we're gonna ride this to the 200 if it happens. If it happens. We're playing quarter size right now. So if we make it all the way back to the 200, I recovered half of my losses. Yeah, ES looking a little ugly. That shit looking fugly, bro. So we have lots of separation on the RSI, a lot of separation on the MACD. It's coming on up slowly. So I have a big enough stop loss to absorb price action chopping away. But I think we're good. I think we're good. Well, I mean, I wouldn't know. We're just playing the odds, right? We're just playing the odds. How much is one tick on M2K? 50 cents. One tick of M2K is 50 cents. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, fam. This position's gonna take forever to go. It's gonna take a little while. I mean, we're gonna be here a little minute, dog. I think I'm just gonna cut the stream right here. I'm gonna cut the stream right here and just let this position ride. Just let this position ride, dog. It's gonna be a long time. I think you shot. Move your stop loss quick. Nah, bro. We're leaving it right there. We're leaving it right there. We're not moving no stop losses. We only move stop losses when price is progressing. So far, we only move stop losses when price is progressing towards your TP. Um, so far with my strategy. So I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. I'm long yes, one micro at 5 and 4-2. I set my stop at break even. I'm going to let it run all day and see if we get back above. Let's take a look at MES. Looking a little rough. We broke that 50, but that shit's choppy as hell. We'll see what happens here. If it's no cost to you, then fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. We're gonna be holding this. Alright guys, I'll see you on you just got stopped out. Yeah, bro, it looked a little iffy on ES, dog. I'm not gonna lie. It looked a little iffy. That's why I was like, ugh. It looks a little iffy. Okay, remember, the market's gonna be closed tomorrow for Jimmy Carter. So I'll see you guys Friday, I think. Peace out.